So in the previous video, which is this one, you learned how you can point a custom domain name to your voucher WordPress site, okay, which is on a VPS. So this playlist is the playlist for how to start a profitable blog or website that generates money for you 24/7. And I'm sure this is the 12th video in this playlist where I teach you how you can start your own website and how you can make it into a money generating machine. So this is what you're going to be learning in this playlist. You're going to learn everything I know. You're going to learn everything from the beginning to wherever I'll end. Yeah. So this playlist is suitable for everyone. Doesn't matter if you're a beginner. As you can see from this playlist, I started from uh I started from how what is the website, how it works, how much it costs to develop a website. I also explained about websites, domain names, IP addresses, localhost, and other terms you really need to know. I also talked about the types of web hosting. Then I also mentioned about Voucher, which is the best fast cloud hosting provider, and I also showed you the way you can get free $100 hosting credits. Okay. After that, now we went on and deployed our first website on Voucher. After that, I also taught you how you can manage your VPS server, both using SSH and SFTP, which is command line and also graphical user interface. After that, after installing WordPress, I also explained what WordPress really is. I explained the dashboard in WordPress, what it is, and now the last video is pointing a domain name, installing an SSL certificate of which we did, and the website is this one over here, which is Two Worlds Machinery, whatever. Okay, and here is our website on voucher. So now in today's video, what are we going to do? Okay, so now that we have our website running, it's here, people can now visit it. And just copy this URL and open it in a new tab. Okay, so we have a website there. It is, it's running. Currently, it's not doing anything. It's not making any money. No one is visiting the website. So, this is what this video is all about now. We're going to do the next steps after launching your website. So, what are these steps you need to do? Okay, first of all, so currently this website is blank, does not have content, does not have posts, the appearance is ugly. Okay, so how are we going to make this website generate money for us? Okay, so there are a lot of ways. Uh, yeah, so there are a lot of ways to make money from a website. Okay, many of them, of which maybe probably know, is placing adverts on your website, which is one by using AdSense. Okay, this is where you sign up on AdSense, a platform by Google that lets you place adverts on your website. Then when people click on those adverts, you earn money. Okay, there are a lot of things you need to know about AdSense. The other way you can make money with your website is by doing affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing is different from network marketing. Okay, it's not MLMs, whatever. These comes which are there like pyramid schemes and so on. Okay, so with affiliate marketing, this is where, for example, you sign up on a company. For example, Voucher has got an affiliate program. Okay, so this affiliate program on Voucher, whereby, for example, this one here. Okay, if I invite people to Voucher, okay, they sign up using my referral link, which is this one over here. I earn $25 when someone creates an account and deposits in a $25 or so, and that person gets in $100. So this is what affiliate marketing. This is whereby you refer someone to a company, and the company pays you money when they do what the company wants them to do. So there are a lot of affiliate programs you can do. Okay, it's not just about hosting voucher. Okay, you can also sign up as an affiliate on Amazon, whereby you can promote Amazon products and earn a percentage from the products. Okay, so in the later videos, I'm going to um, show you a list of affiliate programs you can join. But it's not just about joining an affiliate program you see out there, it's about joining an affiliate program company of which you're really sure that you can really promote those products. Okay, And the products to promote, I would encourage you that you also use them so to get to understand and explain to people better. Okay, it's not just about promoting any product you find out there. Okay, you really need to have an audience to promote to, and there's a lot of things involved in affiliate marketing. Okay, so what else how can you also make money from your own website? Okay, the other way you can make money from your own website is by selling courses. Okay, I'm going to teach you how you can start selling courses on your own website. You can turn your website into an e-learning platform. Okay. Apart from this, you can also make money on your website by selling services, products. Okay, as for me, I'm a freelancer, I'm a web designer, okay, app developer. Okay, so I can sell my services on my website. Okay, if I've got some products like physical products and so on, I can also sell them on my website. So in the future, in the next days, I'm going to teach you how you can convert your website into an online store and sell your products or services. Okay, so these are some of the four ways you can make money with your website. What other ways can you make money on your website? There are a lot of them. Just that, which one? Which one? Okay, so as for me, I've tried out selling courses, but didn't go well for me because I didn't have time to promote my courses to people to buy them. So I stopped selling courses. I now just create videos for free on YouTube. Okay, selling services. I had started selling products just that of which I also stopped, but I did make some sales. But as of now, I also stopped selling. Affiliate marketing, yeah, I'm doing this like for voucher hosting, and other companies. I'm still doing this, and AdSense. Okay, I'm still doing AdSense. As you can see on my website, there are adverts there, even on my YouTube channel. So these are some of ways you can make money on a website, and this is what I'm going to teach you. Okay, I'm going to teach you everything step by step. So if I were to ask me which one of these is the simplest, well, all of them are simple and all of them are hard. So the first way we're going to start with is AdSense. Okay, it's simpler and it's a bit hard, but it's the most simplest one. Okay, because all you need to do is just focus on getting traffic. You don't have to focus on telling people to buy things, buy that. No, all you have to do is just tell your people to read posts on your website. That's it. You don't have to buy anything. You just have to read the post and you make money. So the first way you're going to be making money on your website is by AdSense. So I'm going to teach you how you can create a professional blog. Okay, apply for monetization on AdSense and get approved and start making money with AdSense. So here are some of the things you will need to do. Okay, so to apply for AdSense, first of all, we're going to need to design our blog carefully and beautifully. Okay, we're going to need writing some posts. After writing some posts, we will need to apply now for AdSense. And when you get approved, start sharing our posts. Start sharing our posts and start making money. So before we get started with the making money with AdSense, okay, first of all, we really need to know one thing. Okay, most people only tell you that start a website, start making money, but they never tell you about niches and so on. Okay, if you want to start a website and you want to become a blogger, you really need to pick up a topic or a subject or what your website will be about. So as for me, I write posts about coding, I write posts about marketing, I write posts about forex trading. I write posts about making money and so on. Okay, so these are the things I know. Okay, because I've got experience in this. I've got experience in these, and some of these things I know them. So if you want to be successful in blogging, you really need to choose something you really know, something you can really write about. I'm sure you know one thing. Okay, does it needs to be the same things I'm doing? Okay, so you can um, to answer this question correct, like which niche can you go to or what can your website be about? This is a question which you're supposed to answer on your own. You need to ask yourself, what are you good at? Or what do you really know? For example, if you really know about football, you can become a blogger on football, write posts about football, how to do this, how to do this, how to do that. If you're good at cooking, you can write posts about how to cook this, how to cook that, how to cook this. If you're good at dancing, you can become a blogger and write about how to dance, okay, how to become confident in dancing, how to do this and this. If you're good at singing, you can start writing posts about how to sing better. Okay, there are a lot of things you can do. Okay, so if you're good at something, write posts about it, because if you choose something you're not good about it and become a blogger, you're going to find yourself running out of post ideas to write. So choose something of which you can never run out of post ideas. Choose something you really know. Choose something you really love and teach others. Okay, when you do that, Google will pay you handsomely. So this video has really gone far, but this is how you can start making money. So in the next video, I'm going to show you. We're going to get started with now with the most important stuff. Yeah. So this is all I wanted you to know for today. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment. I read and reply to all comments within an hour. This is the playlist for how to start a profitable blog that generates money for you 24/7, even when you're sleeping, for free. So if you're enjoying this playlist, let me know in the comments, okay? I can see this playlist is not really getting a lot of people, okay? Only a few people are watching my videos in this playlist. Okay, my goal is to teach people. So those who want to, then feel free to watch, like, and comment. Those who don't want to watch, and then it's up to you, okay? So bye for now. Don't forget to like this video to support me, and if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe, and bye for now.